Welcome back to another how-to video with parent and family relations. Today, we're going to go over how to use the Raider Ride app. Raider Ride is a service offered to all students that provides an on-demand shuttle on campus from 6 p.m. to 2:45 a.m. Today, we are going to go over how your student can request a ride with the new Tech Ride app. To get started, your student is going to download the Tech Ride app, which is available in the App Store and Google Play. Once they have the app downloaded, they will sign in with their TTU login, then input their phone number to complete registration. After they have logged in, they can easily request a ride by first selecting their drop-off location, then their pickup location. They will need to have a valid student ID at pickup. Once they have completed all of the steps, they can have easy transportation on campus during the evening. If you or your student has any questions, you can contact Transportation and Parking Services for assistance.